Starting off, we have canister shells on display. We got killer torpedoes by America Fireworks, 7-inch, 60 gram, 24 shell kit. And you also have ginormous shells by America Fireworks, 7-inch, 24 shell kit. There's no price on these both yet. They also have more stock up in the top shelves. So moving on, we have beach bombs here. Beach bombs by Great Grizzly Fireworks, 24 shells. 6-inch canisters, 60 grams each. And of course, 60 grams is 60 grams. Let's take a look at the effects here real quick. So we have tiger tails, and here are the effects. Crackling tails, glittering tails. 60 grams. 10 out of 10 loudness. 24 shells. And these are amazing shells. They go for $179.99 for one pack. And here we have Deli Gaze, 5-inch canister shells. 24 shells. It's by Black Scorpion Fireworks. And we have Outlaw, 5-inch, 24 shells. Yeah, the price for the Outlaw is going to be $149.99. And Deli Gaze, same price. Happy Families Air Power, 60 gram canister shells. Keeps you going for $149.99. And we also have 6-pack shell kits here. So the 4-inch shell kits will be going for $39.99 for 6-pack, and then the 5-inch 6-pack will be going for $44.99. We also offer gladiator shells, a Happy Family. We have 36 shells and 54 breaks. So there's like double breaks and some triple breaks in this shell kit here. These will be going for $139.99. Yeah. Star Spangled Banner. Black Scorpion. Not Black Cat. These I heard hit hard. I heard they have like large breaks, like they fill the sky. Like very, very large breaks. I believe these are going for $129.99. Yeah, $129.99. And we have a ton of these here, so get them while they have it here. Alright, let's move on to the 500 gram cakes here. We have Black Scorpion cakes, Go Maniac. Look at the size of the cake, it's pretty large. We got Go Mad, 25 shell, it's all crackling. It's all crackling fan cake effects. Angle shots. This one here, selling over $89.99. We got Pride and Force here, $79.99. So we got Black Scorpion, 24 shots, Pride and Force, 500 grams. Underdog, $79.99. 24 shots, 500 grams by Black Scorpion. And Go Crazy. Black Scorpion, 500 gram, $79.99 for 36 shots. And one style cake here. This is about 2 minutes long here, or about 85 seconds. 63 shots, 500 gram cake. As you can see the effects for this one here. Long lasting, 85 seconds performance for the cake. Red, white, and blue strobe. Burst to the sky like star. White strobe like ice kingdom. Brocade, crown, and silver chrysanthemums. Strip another layer of climax. Alright, that's to about 1.5 minutes long. Yeah. And one sells, we're going for $80 for that one. We got a lot of those. Alright. We've got about 2 shelving here. A lower level, upper level. Fold out cake here. 20 per shot. 500 grams. You see the effects of this one here. Beautiful. Contains some chrysanthemums. 24 long shots of gold poems. One of those with sea blue, red, and white strokes. Chrysanthemums here. So this will be going for $69.99. And we have a crazy clown here for $69.99. 24 shots, got black scorpion. I know this one has like rapid firing. I believe it shoots like 4 bursts at a time. 4 shot bursts at a time, so it's like, it's one of those cakes, you know. It's like a shotgun burst kind of style. Yeah, 6 shots at one time, yeah. Let me see effects. Vibrant colors on this cake here. Buzzer beater. Big breaks on these. 25 shots. Effects. Yeah. Alright, we have a whole bunch of these here. Green. Obviously you can tell what color this is. Which, you know, what kind of a color this would not be, obviously. Alright, you got like 25 shots. Black scorpion, 500 gram. Green cake here. It's just called green. Green brace with nishiki, $69.99. And then we have Go Freak. We got blue and orange stars at Crackle for $69.99. 500 gram, 25 shots. By Black Scorpion Flavors. We have a lot of Black Scorpion here. Lemons Legends for $69.99. As you can see, the effects. You have the effects written in the description or in the price tag. Or in the price sticker, what do you call it? 25 shots. I have actually shot this cake off before with some friends. A couple or so years back. It's pretty nice. And then we have Raging Red by Black Scorpion Fireworks. 500 grams, 25 shots, $69.99. Red Stroke to Italia, Red Rain by Black Scorpion. And that's the whole row of this one here. I mean, the whole half the row, right? Half side of the row, and then this side of the row. And here we have starting on this area, we're starting to see Happy Family cakes. Zebra, Happy Family, $69.99, 16 shots, 500 gram. Nice big breaks on these. And you got Amazing here, Happy Family, 20 shots, $89.99. They're quite well stocked here as of May, I believe, 28, 29, 2025. Screaming Eagles. This is all just comments that come up with a report or like a noise. They shriek as they go up. The Screaming Eagles, $30. 30 shots. Price is gonna be $79.99. And then we have Danger Signals by Happy Family Fireworks. This will be going for $89.99. This is a powerful cake. There's some English shots to it here. Pretty large too. We have Willow Box for $89.99. This obviously, you already can tell which effect this is. 28 shots. Madness, 21st shot, Black Scorpion, going for $89.99. And then we have Orc Battle for $89.99. Black Scorpion, here it is. Nice color to it. Pork battle, 34 shots, 500 gram. Neon jelly beans. Swanty Flynn, 27 shots, $89.99. Looks so good. We have Rav, 15 shots, $89.99 again. By Black Scorpion Fireworks. Neon City by Black Scorpion Fireworks, $99.99. Has a nice crackling to it with a lot of, I believe, fish effects here. Yes, lots of fishes with glitters and chrysanthemums, followed by colors of mines. First gonna go for $99.99, $100. 36 shots and gold cake effects. Beautiful cake. And an aisle here. Let's get to the next section of 500 grams. Here we have a pork battle for $89.99. 500 grams, Black Scorpion, Storm Warning, Family, 2 shots. There's no price for this one yet. Pork battle, let's see how this is. Death Screaming by Black Scorpion. This one has a lot of whistling when you shoot up into the sky. We have a lot of whistles for this one. All those cakes. 38 shots. We got Hardcore, $79.99. 30 seconds long, 36 shots, 500 gram by Sky Painter, which is a brand of Happy Family Fireworks. It looks like they're out of kaleidoscope. We got, how do you pronounce that? Rakeo. Max load number 6, 30 shots, 500 gram. $99.99. You can see here the effects. Cards, they have their description. Let's see some of the effects like this here. There we go. It's beautiful. Road Rage, Sky Painter Fireworks. $69.99, 40 seconds long. Nice slow going cake. Bloody Red by Black Scorpion Fireworks, 25 shots. No price for this yet. And we got Gorgeous by Happy Family Fireworks, 17 shots, 500 grams, for $69.99. Pretty cake, 40 seconds long. We got Black Scorpion Groundhog Gone Wild, 20 shots. No label, no price label. Crash and Burn, $49.99. Up to 500 grams, 29 shots by Sky Painter Fireworks. This has some mango effects to it too. And let me say what's on here. Nope. Round of applause. Happy Family Fireworks. Up to 500 grams. Pyro Addicts, up to 500 grams. See here, $39.99. So these are just smaller 500 gram cakes, or possibly 350 gram cakes, if you guys know what I mean. Yeah, kind of hold it in your hand a little bit, you know. Smash Hammer. It says 500 gram, 18 shots, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It could be 350 gram. Sky Painter Fireworks. $39.99 for that. And this is a great cake. Get her done. By Sky Painter Fireworks. I shot those on myself recently. Has some nice strong breaks to them. 9 shots, but packs a punch. The performance. Brocade Crown Tall. Tail with blood red star. Sky blue star with white stroke. Brocade Crown Tail with brocade crown and crackling. Brocade Crown Tail with purple star. Teal Dahlia with chrysanthemums. $29 or $30. 500-gram cakes in this section here. Start over here, guys. So these here, they're all considered a buy one get one free for $139.99. You get buy one get one free, mix and match. Everything in this section here. This whole shelving. Air Defender by Legend Fireworks. 25 shots. Movie night, happy family. And then you start to see Super Firework brand. Super Fireworks Shine of Las Vegas. 12 shots. It shows you also the time, the duration, which is a very nice feature of these cakes, of their labels here. It's very informative, so you can know more what you want or what you're gonna get. American Eagle 16 shots, 46 seconds, 500 gram. That was reject. This is all Super Fireworks, Super Firework brands, not Super Show. Excuse me. Rain of Fire. 25 shots, 30 seconds. My wife's party box here. Locked Super Fireworks. 16 shots. 26 seconds. So you can just mix and match. Spirit of Freedom, 16 shots, 25 seconds. A big kahuna. 25 shots, 25 seconds, 18 shots here, and you can see the effects over here. Beautiful. And then we have Troublemaker on this side here. Again by Super Fireworks, 15 shots, 20 seconds, angle effects. Moving on to the next style. Dysfunction Junction, this is a popular one. 21st shot, 22 seconds. Oh, and for this section here, for the Super Firework brands, basically for only the Dysfunction Junction cake in this section, we'll be going for $169.99. Go. So any Dysfunction Junction, you get 2 of these for $170, or you can just get 1 for half off, basically $85 before taxes. You can see I have a bunch here, so a lot. Medal of Honor, $139.99. Okay, this is Follows by Black Scorpion. 6 of these shots, 2 mil. And then you got some no apps here, some 9 shots. Patriot Power by Black Scorpion Fireworks. We have unique green effects. This will be going for $109.99, $110. Incredibly beautiful. Motorhead, 28 shots. $150 is a must-have. I got Double Barrel by Maddox Fireworks. I think this is a classic one. 9 shots. No app. And you have All That Glitters. 500 grams, 9 shots. It's a willow cake here, willow no app here. The video for these are beautiful. 2-inch shells. $120. And then you got Captain Marvel for $199. 25 shots. Black Scorpion Fireworks. This is a pretty massive cake here. It's big, it's huge, pretty big. Let's paint the town red. Happy Family, this is a good one. Nice breaks to this one, and some beautiful red lace effects to this. Angle effects as well. You have 29 shots for 500 grams. Or, yeah, 500 grams for 29 shots. Happy Family Fireworks. You can't really go wrong with Happy Family when it comes to cakes. $99.99. Paintball bra, Happy Family Fireworks, $169.99, 75 shot, 500 grams zipper cake here. Yeah, that's that side of the aisle. We have more zipper cakes. Beautiful night, happy family, $189.99. This thing is massive. I mean, it's massive. It's huge. It's heavy. It feels like 40 pounds, like a rice bag, sort of. There's shock out. And then you have claws, $139.99. Happy Family Fireworks, 132 shots here, 500 grams. Happy Family zipper cake. And then we have Legends Never Die, 66 shots, 500 grams by Sky Painter Fireworks. It is $120. And you have another 2-minute cake here for 500 grams, 63 shots, $120 by Happy Family. This looks nice. Oh, it's big. It's nice weight. Yeah. Got some more island sales here. We already went over this one. More in stock here. See the aisle so far. They also have some American Glory. I'm not sure if I've seen those in another aisle. So anyways. Buku Blast. 61 shots. $79.99. This is by Sky Painter Fireworks. All that glitters. $69.99. Here's a nice angled cake again here. You face it on this side, face this side, facing the audience. Here's the effect description. 30-second duration. Pretty good, pretty alright. Rum Runner, Sky Painter Fireworks, 5-minute shots here. $59.99. And we have Tim the Beaver. This is actually a 350 gram cake, or it says 500 grams, but we would say it's 350 grams. Tim the Beaver, 18 shots for $49.99. The strength about this cake here, though, is that it lasts about a minute, so you have long duration for. I mean, it's nice, you know. So you have long duration for a 350 grammer. As you can see here, it shows you the effects. Red and blue with white glitter, blue and lemon with chrysanthemums, gold wave with green glitter, gold wave with brocade, and shaky with crackles. $49.99 for that. There's a limited quantity of those. Super Fireworks again. We have I got big balls, 12 shots, 35 seconds. Cooking with Fire, 12 shots, 32 seconds. Large March, 35 seconds, 12 shots. There's all 12 shot cakes here with slightly varying duration. These will be going for $109, $110. Buy one get one free, mix and match. If you just get one cake, it'll be $55. Yeah, so anyways, moving on to the next section of the store. You can't forget the 200 gram cakes here. Space Force, Happy Family, Go Mix and Match, $49.99 with anything here in the section here up to a certain point. I think I'll show you later on. Space Force, Life's a Beach, Sky Painter. We have Attack by Happy Family Fireworks, 12 shots. Patriot Pleaser, 12 shots, Happy Family Fireworks. Rockstar with, this is another 350 gram cake, or 2 gram? 600 grams, but this feels like 350 gram. And this is a pretty cake though. Nice, colorful effects to them. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's do a demo of this one. Patriot Pleaser, more Rockstar, and you have Shocker, 9-shotter, Black Scorpion. It's like a little mini Noab, right? Like a 200 gram, 350 gram Noab. Joking this thing. More Life's a Beach here. And we got Rally Racing. Happy Family Fireworks, 10 shots. And we have Independence Day, or just Independence, 10 shots by Spray Painter Fireworks, $49.99. Again, BOGO. Mix and match, anything here. Or you can just get one cake for like $25. And we got some more Noabs here. Happy Family Nishiki. This one hits hard. Very, very nice cake here. Very strong for a consumer. $149.99. You got 3-inch tubes, but honestly, like some of us know, it's more like 2 inches and a quarter shelves diameter. Truthfully. Ghost 9. Going for $169.99. And we have Home of the Brave, $149.99. 3 shots and 3 inches. Yeah. Life of the Party by Great Grizzly Fireworks. Here we go, $159.99. And then you can see here the effects description. It's funny how it says 8 out of 10 loudness though. I'm moving on. We have now back to the smaller cakes here. Raining Cats and Dogs here. 12 shots. Happy Family Fireworks. $34.99. This one's a banger. Sky Heroes. Yeah, Street Outlaws. Both are Happy Family Fireworks. Both are $39.99. Both are great. And then we have their own house brand, Enigma Fireworks. Orjan or Orhan, 20 shots. Aerons. Oh wait, that's a different cake. There's brightness, 16 shots for $39.99. And Orion. Oh, it's called Orion. Look at Jade. $39.99 for that one. These cakes though, these cakes they're made of different material. I think they're I forgot how to say it, but they're not your typical cardboard tubes or setup. It's like clay, something hard, feels like concrete, something like that. All right. On this side of the aisle here, we got another BOGO. BOGO, $39.99. Mix and match here. Starting with Thunder, Sky Painter, 10 shots. Goldosity, 19 shots. As you can see here. 18K Cold. Happy Family. See shot count 15. 13 shots. Of titanium gold coconut tail with gold. Brocade crown with gold chrysanthemums. And we have Battle Eagle by Sky Painter Fireworks. $39.99. Skype Family. The bullet, 16 shots. Yeah, this is a nice hard hitting cake. I tried it out myself. And then we have Bomb Pop by Sky Painter Fireworks. 21 shots. Bomb Squad, 21 shots. And Bomb Warning. So the Bomb series here. We also have Mad Lab here by Black Scorpion Fireworks. Excuse me. And then we have Reckless here by World Class Fireworks. It's like the first World Class I've seen today here. Gator Scan by H3 Fireworks brands. I think this is the only one that's in the store with this brand. Again, $39.99, BOGO. And we have Gandalf's Power by their house brand Enigma Fireworks. 36 shots. Molded cake. This one just shoots colored comets here. Like a tail. We also have some cake assortments here. Happy Family. Are these 500 gram? Yes, they're 500 gram cakes. So you get 4 of them. Yeah. 4 of them for $259.99. Here's another cake assortment here. Super cakes here. American Freedom, Remember and Honor, Amazing and Outlaw, Commando. 500 grams cake assortment. You get 4 cakes here. These are going for $279.99. And you also have a pack of Morning Glories here, jumbo size, 36 inch, $4.99, $5. Yeah, pretty tall. Moving on to the next section here, we have fountains here. Garden in Spring, $4.99. Military tank, $24.99. I looked this up here on my channel. I did a video of this one here. You guys can check it out. I think it's the very first normal video upload I've put on my channel. AK-47 handheld fountain, 25 seconds, $5.99 by Sky Painter Fireworks. Happy Family Superhero, $12.99. Turbo Happy Family, $16.99. This is here. Light showers of sparks, fountains. Over the Hedgehog. Got a lot of these. $16.99. And we got Imagination. Happy Family Fireworks, $16.99. We got Rowdy Rhino, Happy Family Fireworks, $16.99. Dominators Crazy Clackers. You know, most of you guys are probably familiar with this one here. 2-minute long per piece. So you light one fuse off, it'll last 2 minutes. And this will be going for $8.99. Pack of 6. And we got Killer Bees here. Don't Panic by Black Scorpion Fireworks, $94.99. Assorted fountain packs here. More here. The Fireball pack series, or what's called assortment. $99.99 for these one. 9-inch fountains here for these. The Fireball, we're gonna go for a different price, I believe about like $4 or something like that. Oh, there we go, like $7 Fireball, right? That's that one. You get 6 assorted fountains. They're small, but then I tried it out. Actually, they're actually pretty nice, and they're pretty well colored and bright for the size. Pretty impressive. This one here is also $7.99 here, assorted fountain. Yeah, so you get these larger fountains for $1 more than the Fireball ones. We get 4 of them. I might get, if I had a choice, I might rather get this one, but then this one says no noise here, and I do like noise, so I do prefer noise. So maybe we can choose. Fireball, it does have some noise. Jiffy Pop fountain here. I demoed this off as well, or I shot it off, and I have a short for it here. You guys check it out in my shorts. So 1 minute long. What's neat about this fountain here is that it has like a mine effect here, so it shoots up like mines about like 20-30 feet in the air. It's really nice. It's been going for $11.99. It's worth it. It's a good fountain. Power Trip Novelty, $9.99. On ground, spins on ground and emits flame and sparks. My brothers. And then we have Happiness Fountain pack here. No label for this one though. Just the only one left. Ball shells here. Crackling Artillery by Happy Family or Sky Painter, $15.99. And we got your famous premium color changing premium willows. Signature ball shell series by Great Grizzly. These are some of the best ball shells out there. Not the best one, but you know, it's a great ball shell. It's one of the better ones. Some of the better ones, if not one of the best. Here's the price for that one. Here's some more crackling artillery here. Cherry bombs, they're out of those. And then we have the artillery shell, like with Grizzly here. You can hear artillery shell pack. Here's the effects. These might be real photos of them. Maybe not that one, but some of them might be real photos. Jumbo firecrackers for $6. 3 of these in the pack. They're basically like rolled up firecrackers in like one big shell casing, or you know, it's not an actual single super jumbo firecracker, just a bunch of firecrackers in a row. So we got firecrackers here now, guys. A pack of M150 crackers, 36 pieces. Price for that one here. Special firecrackers, 8,000. $4,000 roll of firecrackers here for $49.99 by Sky Painted Fireworks. 4,000 roll. We have another pack of single unit crackers, silver cracker. Yeah. So it's big one for $7.99. It's the same as the these over here. And we also have this one here, Legend Fireworks. 5-stage bomber. Basically, rolls of firecrackers inside one little, like this whole row here, like a sushi roll. You know what I mean? $3.99 for those. You got a 16,000 roll here. This will be going for $159.99. Got some more jumbo firecracker here as well, you guys. Got a lot of those. A lot of these in stock. They're inexpensive. They're great. 8,000 roll. The Beast Crackers by Great Grizzly Fireworks. These will be going for $84.99. And we have your 2,000 roll firecrackers here for $29.99 by Big Fireworks. And we got Cherry Bomb Fireworks. Firecrackers. Cherry Bomb brand, actually. 1,000 roll. And this will be going for $14.99. Another 500 rolls here. 2 different brands. By Sky Painter and by Mega Banger. Both great brands. 500 rolls for $8.99. You get your bricks here. Different brands. Great Grizzly, Sky Painter, $9.99. Extra 100 strip firecrackers here for $1.99, basically $3. A couple different brands. You got Mega Banger and we have Sky Painter. You have your Saturn missiles here. 300. By Fire Factory Fireworks here. This is a wonderful Saturn missile battery. I shot it off with some friends, and they actually like this one the best out of everything else I've shot, even over a couple or so 200-gram cakes. And this is actually wild, guys. This is actually really nice. And we have some parachutes here. Flare, you see the price over there. Color pearls. We got some 48 shots and just some 96 shots here. Yeah, 96 shots here. It's going for $5.99 with the 96 shots. And the 48 shots will be going for $3.49. More Saturn missiles here. We got the 4-pack 25 shotters for $10. We have your generic Saturn missiles here with the classic effects. The generic golden color, regular color Saturn missiles are $16.99, 200 shots. And there's more in the back here too. And we got Green Goblins here for $26.99 by Great Grizzly Fireworks. Performance, it says right here, 200 shots of whistles and reports with green tail. Yeah. And they also sell some fuses here, you guys. Some $14.99 fuses here. Description of that in here. Yeah. They have a launch control system. Yeah. Here we are. Remote, yeah. Comes with the whole pack here. Refill pack here. Price of this one is gonna be $18. Yeah. So. Neon torches for $8. Great Grizzly Fireworks. It's basically like a handheld like fountain or like a sparkler, I guess, thing. I've never actually tried it myself, but it says here, attractive blue and red flame, long lasting. It's $8, and then yeah, so 16 shots happy for $4.49. It's pretty interesting. 16 shots, interesting here. Maybe I get this one. Yeah, so. Yeah. Assorted colors, right? Yeah. Those might be the colors over there. Okay, moving on to some rockets. This is the rockets that they have here. Smile rocket for $19.99. And we got BFR by Fireworks, $24.99. I heard these hit. Yeah, these hit. I heard these are nice rockets. Never tried it myself, but that's what I hear from other people. And they tend to sell. With some jumbo Texas pop rockets here for $6 here. And as you can see here, comes with like a pack of 6. Yeah. And you got your bottle rockets here. Your classic bottle rockets. Mostly Moon Travelers, you know. 100 pieces of these will cost you $11. And the Max XL ones, one would be $12. These would be those. Yeah. The Max XL ones though, it might come with like 144 pieces though. So I think for like $1 more we get 44 more rockets. I'm gonna say Moon Travelers with report. So some of these rockets have different effects, like they have like whistling, stuff like that. Here, Muscat Painter Fireworks. And got your 8-ounce rockets here for $10.99. You have this one has like how many rockets? It's like 12 rockets total. 6 on each side, so 12 total has to be. You got your gender reveal stuff here. Special delivery, prince or princess. Yeah. And they're by Amazing Firework brand. Amazing Firework brands here. You got your little assortments here. It's your fun little cookbook assortment, or cookbook fountains. Great for children. Party assortment, backyard party assortment. You get a variety of nice family-friendly small stuff. Great for a small backyard show. Or like pre-show, before the big show. Fountains. Some popper. They're loaded on this one here. Family pack number 4, family pack number 3. Number 3 will be going for $59.99. Quite a few handful of fountains. Your generic fountains, and then you have more, like a bigger version of basically the same thing. We have Aces High assortment here. There's some color rockets in here, some fountains, firecrackers, Roman candles. Take a better look here. Alright, and we have some like ground bloom flowers. And that one here. And we have Roman candles here. Spitfire by Fire Factory Fireworks. This one going for $24.99. You get 120 shots. This is the kind of one you stick in the ground. We have this one here for $34.99. 660 shots. A larger candle here. It's wider in diameter. You can see here, you stick in the ground. We have some more Roman candles here. Your more generic, ordinary ones. You get these 8-ball Roman candles, 6 sticks per pack, 8 shots each for $7.99. Not bad. Explosive Excellence here for $13.99. This one has a loud report to them, so it's one of those. It's just like a loud boom or bang, you know. I don't expect color for this one. Great Grizzly Fireworks, by the way. Full Spectrum by Pyro Planet. Interesting, Pyro Planet finally. We got Pyro Planet here. For $5. This one's a nice Roman candle. You get 4 of these. How many shots is this one here? Shoots 8 shots each stick. Same effects. So shoots 8 red and green stars with crackling. And we got Pro Ox candles here by Pro Ox Fireworks. Pro Ox, 5 shots each. You get 4 in the pack. So they're gonna go for about $19.99. And we got Blackjack here by Brothers Fireworks, Brothers Pyrotechnics. Roman candle pack here for $20. Paparazzi for $20. These candles here are by Fire Factory Fireworks. They actually have like actual like breaks to them, it's like a kick in the stick, you know. 5 shots each stick. You get 4 of these in the pack. They have nice breaks to them. And we have our Crazy Spades, 10-ball with crackling, and then we have some more of these here. Same thing as those. And Magical Color Candle by Shogun Fireworks. 6 of these sticks here in a pack. You get like 5 balls. Yeah, so $6 for those. For these 10-ball ones here, you have $10 here. Crazy Aces were $20 here. So, all right, guys. What's on here? It's super missing section here. I have our ladybugs here. Very popular. BOGO, $24.99. Mix and match. Pick one or the other, or pick both of the same. You get crackling artillery shells or just regular artillery shells, ball shells, 6 packs. They're both by Sky Painter Fireworks, so basically a Happy Family brand. And we have Slither Happy Family, $13.99. And some more novelties here. Here's some parachute. They're like little parachutes. $8.99, $8.99 here. Fire trucks, police cars, handling. It's basically generic novelties here. Here are the prices for those here. These cards here and magic diamond ones. Use like probably the crystals here, magic crystals. Basically the same as magic crystals probably, but like different wrap. Different name to it too. $7.99. We're out of Sky Team so far. Speed diamonds here for $2 by Great Grizzly Fireworks. 6 of these to pack. And you have like jumbo crackling round bloom flowers here. These are real nice. They're by Shogun Fireworks here. For $4. You get a pack of 6 and they crackle really well. Flying UFOs, $49. Drawing chicken. Yeah. We got more of those here and here. Oh, we also have these here. Funny dragonfly. Some novelties for the kids. Also for adults too. They're fun too. Even for adults. We got Lippy Loop here. Alright. They're some of them are brothers. This one's by Sky Painter. That's what it looks like. That's a performance right there. If you want to pause the video, you can check it out and read it for yourself. Alright, and we also have some extra like novelty sections here. Some snakes. You got some classic tanks, poppers, some of the classics here. Can of worms. 12 pieces of these. $10. And you get gender reveal confetti cannon. Police cars, fire trucks, usual stuff. Parachutes, single day parachute. And you have this pack of 6 parachutes here for $8. Yeah. Circus peanuts, stunning. And with your fun crackling balls here, these are nice. By Black Scorpion brand. You get 3 crackling shells here, flat on the ground. And these crackle about the size of like a SUV. So they do have some nice crackle to them here. And then you have Poo Dogs by $1.99 by Sky Painter Fireworks. Pop-up snaps. Yeah, some more. You got your sparklers here. Morning glories and your generic. I got your neon sparklers here for $5.99. Glow stick sparklers. They have a glow stick included here for $6.99. Parachute assorted box or just an entire box of it for $50. You got bright stars, smokeless sparklers for $2.50. Super snaps here for either $2 for 1 pack of, I believe, 20 snaps, and these are for adults, or you get a whole pack for like $44.99. These snappers are the ones you throw on the ground. They're like fuseless firecrackers. They're not really for kids. They're like a large version of snaps, if you know what I mean. So anyways, gold sparklers here, 36-inch. Some more morning glories here, $4.99. Sparkler wand for $9.99. Gold sparklers, generic sparklers, color sparklers, $9.99 here. Yeah, so just like basically like regular sparklers here, $4.99. And we got your gold wire sparklers for $12. These look nice. 28-inch and gold sparklers. It's pretty cool. And now we have your smoke items here. I'm gonna quickly for this one here. $2.49 for those. Yeah, so your colors for this one, we got smoke grenades for $5. Check the colors here. See here. Some more tanks. Some more smoke here. The mammoth and smoke for $5, and smoke wands. You have 4 smoke sticks coming out here for $8, $9. This one's nice here, guys. You get 10 minutes of smoke here. Mega white smoke. It's been going for only like $6.99 for 10 minutes. It's pretty cool. And then we have a Matrix 3 color smoke here for red, white, and blue smoke here for $7.99. And then we have a crop duster classic novelty item here. First, it emits some smoke, some colored smoke, and then it spins upward like a helicopter with sparks. And then so this will be going for $6.99. These here you would use in at dusk, where it's like not completely dark but not that bright either. So that way you get best of both worlds. So you get to see the smoke and you can see the sparks. So yeah, in a classic 2-color spaceship novelty for $12. You get 6 of these in the pack. All right, well, I think that should be everything I might have covered. Yeah, so and we have more jumbo crackling balls, different kind, different brands. Should be the same price. So for $4.99, we have that. You can get that for $4.99. Yeah, here's the story, guys. That should be everything. They are still stocking up more for the July 4th season, so they're not fully stocked up, as you can already kind of tell. They have more to unbox here. So I came in before they finished. But yeah, there you guys have it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. And if you guys find or found value and enjoyment in this video, feel free to stay tuned and to like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.